Several of our Chandler Unified schools have recently undergone exciting renovations, or as we like to call it, a reimagining of learning spaces. Hull Elementary unveiled a state-of-the-art technology and engineering space featuring collaborative tech zones and a dedicated robotics area. These innovative spaces are designed for students to come together, collaborate, and learn in a flexible, future-focused environment. At Conley Elementary, we introduced the Coyote Innovation Center, a modernized media hub that offers a creative and adaptable space for student exploration. From cooking vegetables grown in their own garden to programming remote-controlled robots, students are immersed in hands-on, career and technical style learning. At Fry Elementary, the new reimagined STEM Lab and Innovation Center provides students with real-world hands-on challenges that deepen their understanding of core subjects while developing essential skills needed for their future. This addition is a space where students can ideate, create, and prototype standards-based projects across all grade levels and content areas. Sanborn Elementary has reimagined their spaces to create inspiring areas that promote collaborative learning, fitness, and creativity. From a versatile training area and pickleball courts to an amphitheater, physical education space, mini soccer field, and outdoor classroom, these reimagined areas are designed to spark discovery and build lasting memories. This is only the beginning of the reimagination process in Chandler Unified School District. Each of these updated and reimagined educational spaces help prepare every student for future academic and career success.